it struck right here. Me and Chris like.
Yes. Holy shit. Did you see that?
Oh my god.
Yeah. You just need that, like, not raining. Whoever gets struck by lightning first wins. I got that. Definitely got that.
Who am I?
Oh, yeah.
600.
You stay gay.
She said
Yeah, but it was like 10 years to set up.
So he pressed like this too. He was like, when he was pressing, he was like,
Yeah.
I was like, dude, I'm a fucking British guy. It's not gonna get me with your one.
I doubt
I got like the beginning of it.
No, probably not.
You're a scumbag.
Damn. Oh, gosh.
Nice.
You're getting everything.
I know, Greg's like a good shot.
I've been recording also. Cares about you.
Right. Were you there the one day at the park?
Not really.
Oh! I'm thinking! You're ruining it!
Oh my god! Oh my god! That was right.
Just go, I'm scared, yo.
Oh my god!
Yo, like, I'm really scared. I'm not actually scared like I see you, like, I think I just missed myself.
Shut up.
No, I'm dead serious.
Matthew Klein.
No, really. I'm not kidding. I really think I just missed
Not going
myself.
on YouTube. Matt Klein.
Yeah. Victor Delumba. That lives at
Williamsburg.
Oh my
Get up on
god.
Facebook.
Don't look me up on Facebook, you scumbag. This is Matt. This is Matthew Klein.
The orange chain's still coming.
Did anybody else get scared?
Damn. Who's coming? Shane Klein?
No.
What? Yeah.
But is it only raining like over there?
No,
Yeah.
Nah.
It's drizzling.
That's not
That lightning was like right behind Montrez's house.
Where's that rain?
Guys, I think next
We're
time.
due for another good one right now.
Oh.
Wow, but need a
Right.
big ass one.
We just
Hits
see
me
one
right
hit
in the
hard.
nutsack.
What? What?
I want to actually talk about that.
I don't.
Never happened before.
Chill with that.
He's the one that said, God, smite me, almighty smiter.
I think it always did, dude. I probably do.
Yeah, you got hit by a car after a truck after that, right?
Probably not.
I'm just saying. Actually stop it.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, I have 5 minutes.
We'll get one.
Ah, figures.
Waiting
Another one.
I really don't want to get up yet. It's scary.
1.
Because whoever's higher gets hit first.
What?
What?
Matt, you're always gonna be higher.
Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. Because look, I can always believe.
Alright, just come out, lay on the ground.